away somewhere and build them a home, a little place of their own. The Fletcher Memorial, a home for incurable tyrants and kings. And they can appear to themselves every day on closed-circuit TV to make sure they're still real. It's the only connection they feel.
Gentlemen, please welcome Reagan and Hay, Mr. Begin and Friend, Mrs. Thatcher and Paisley, Mr. Brezhnev and Marty, the ghost of McCarthy, the memories of Nixon, and now adding color, a group of Latin American, feedback and glitterati.
Did they expect us to treat them with any respect? They can polish their medals and sharpen the smiles, amuse themselves playing games for a while. Boom, boom, bang, bang, lie down, you're dead. Boom, boom, bang, bang, lie down, you're dead. Safe in the permanent gaze of the cold glass eye, with their favorite toys, they'll be good girls and boys in the Fletcher Memorial, home for colonial wasters of life and limb. Is everyone in? Are you having a nice time? Now the final solution can be applied. Now the final solution can be applied. Boom, boom, bang, bang, lie down, you're dead. Boom, boom, bang, bang, lie down, you're dead. Boom, boom, bang, bang, lie down, you're